smart feed. Today, we made veggie puffs. Let's go check out the recipe. First, we're going to add a little bit of oil. Then we're going to add some jeera, a little bit of ginger garlic paste. After we mix, finally add a few green peas. And now we're going to take a small bowl and add half spoon chili powder, half spoon coriander powder, a little bit of salt, and then a little bit of jeera. Then you're going to pour some water and mix it all together. Once you get like a liquid paste, you're going to add it. Now we're going to add a few boiled mashed potatoes. Then turn off the flame. Once it's cooled down, squeeze a little lemon in it. This is frozen puff pastry. You can buy it at any grocery store. Sprinkle a little flour and then roll it. Remove the extra dough and cut the dough into 3 strips. Cut them into little squares. Then put a little bit of that potato in each one. So apply water on both sides. And then just fold it and stick the ends together. And then that's what you're going to do to the rest of them. Finally, if you like little patterns, you could take a fork and make cute little strips to the sides. And just like that, keep making more. Before you bake these, make sure to put them out in room temperature for 2 hours. Now we're going to bake this in the oven for 220 degrees centigrade in the oven for 20 minutes. Now our delicious veggie puffs are ready. Please enjoy. Bye!